In woodworking, accuracy is the key to success. Before cutting or assembling any piece of wood, you need the right measuring and marking tools. These tools will help you plan, guide, and double check your work. Let's divide them into two groups, which are the measuring tools and the marking tools. First is the measuring tape. This is used for longer measurements, like boards, panels, or even room layouts. Because it's flexible, it can measure not just flat surfaces, but also curves. Most measuring tapes also have both metric and empirical units, giving you versatility. Next is the ruler. It is usually smaller but sometimes bigger, but are perfect for making shorter measurements and for making straight lines. Unlike the tape, it's rigid, so it's more reliable for drawing flat, even marks on smaller pieces of wood. Next is we have is the triangular ruler, often called as a set square. This tool ensures accuracy with angles, especially 90 degrees and 45 degrees. Carpenters rely on this to check if edges are square and to keep the joints properly aligned. And finally is the pencil. It is simple, but it is essential. It is used to transfer all of your measurements into your marks so that you can follow while cutting or drilling in woodworking. To use a measuring tape, hook the metal tip at the edge of the wood. Then pull the tape across the length that you need. For example, is we will be marking 1 foot. Using our marking tool is we will be marking that 1 foot into the workpiece. Lock the tape if needed and always keep the tape straight for accuracy. For the ruler, place the ruler flat on the surface and align it in the edge. Use it for shorter measurements or when drawing straight lines. Press it firmly so it doesn't slip. Then mark along the edge with your pencil. Next is to check or draw a right angle. Place the short edge of the triangular ruler against the side of the wood. Then draw your line along the other side. For a 45-degree angle,